Hi everyone, I've spent time using both the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, which came out in October 2024, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, released in January 2024. In this video, I'll share what makes each phone special and how they compare in real life. Whether you want a phone with more features or a better price, I'll help you understand the differences. Check the description for Amazon links where you can find the latest prices. Let's get started. Having used both the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and the S24 Plus, I noticed the FE feels a bit bigger and heavier with its 162 by 77.3 by 8.0mm size and 213 grams weight, compared to the sleeker S24 Plus at 158.5 by 75.9 by 7.7mm and 197 grams. The Plus feels more premium thanks to its Gorilla Glass front and back, while the FE has regular glass. Both have a sturdy aluminum frame and are water-resistant, but the Plus's slightly smaller size and lighter weight make it easier to hold for long periods. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and S24 Plus both feature 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X displays with 120Hz refresh rates and HDR10 Plus support, including always-on display functionality. However, the S24 Plus offers a higher peak brightness of around 2600 nits compared to the S24 FE's 1900 nits, enhancing visibility in bright conditions. Additionally, the S24 Plus boasts a sharper 3120 by 1440 resolution, 513 ppi, versus the S24 FE's 2340 by 1080, 385 pp, resulting in crisper visuals. The S24 Plus also includes Corning Gorilla Glass armor for added durability. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and Galaxy S24 Plus both run Android 14 with One UI 6.1, ensuring a similar software experience. The S24 FE is powered by the Exynos 2400E chipset with an X-Clips 940 GPU built on a 4nm process, offering efficient performance suitable for everyday tasks. In contrast, the S24 Plus features either the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in USA, Canada, China, with an Adreno 750 GPU, or the Exynos 2400 with X-Clips 940 elsewhere, delivering higher overall performance and better graphics capabilities, making it more suitable for demanding applications and gaming. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers 3 memory and storage configurations: 128GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB RAM, and 512GB with 8GB RAM, utilizing UFS 3.1 or 4.0 storage depending on the variant. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus provides higher-end options with 256GB or 512GB storage paired with 12GB RAM, both featuring UFS 4.0 storage. Neither model supports expandable storage via a card slot. Overall, the S24 Plus caters to users seeking more RAM and faster storage, while the S24 FE offers more varied and affordable options. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus both feature triple camera setups with a 50MP wide sensor, PDAF, and OIS for stable, sharp images. The S24 FE includes a 12MP ultra-wide and an 8MP telephoto lens, offering 3x optical zoom, while the S24 Plus sports a slightly different arrangement with a 12MP ultra-wide and a higher resolution 10MP telephoto lens at the same 3x zoom level. Overall, the S24 Plus may deliver slightly better telephoto detail, whereas the S24 FE balances versatility with a standard telephoto sensor. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus features a 12MP front camera with a wide lens, compared to the 10MP front camera on the Galaxy S24 FE. Both smartphones support PDAF and Auto HDR, ensuring sharp and well-exposed selfies. In terms of video capabilities, they are identical, offering 4K recording at 30 and 60 FPS, as well as 1080p at the same frame rates. Overall, the S24 Plus provides a slightly higher resolution and wider field of view for selfies, potentially capturing more detail and a broader background. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus features a larger 4900 mAh non-removable battery compared to the 4700 mAh battery in the Galaxy S24 FE, providing potentially longer usage time. In terms of charging, the S24 Plus supports faster wired charging at 45 watts, nearly doubling the 25-watt wired charging speed of the S24 FE. Both models offer identical 15-watt wireless charging and 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging capabilities. Overall, the S24 Plus provides superior battery capacity and quicker wired charging, enhancing convenience and endurance. After using both the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and the Galaxy S24 Plus, I can say each has its strengths. The S24 FE offers great value with solid performance and a compact design, while the S24 Plus stands out with a bigger screen and longer battery life. Depending on whether you prefer a more affordable phone or a larger display, either could be a good fit. Check out the Amazon links in the description for the latest prices and pick the one that suits your needs best.